So whenever you're printing contents and the print content is much more smaller than the page that you have, then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and enable out crop marks. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto File and then go to Print Preview right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you get to the print preview right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and then add in an imposition layout right here, just like this, and increase out, let's say, for example, the number right here, just like this. So this is what you happen if I were to go ahead and go to the selection now, then this is what you have right here. But let's say what I actually want to do is I want to go ahead and then enable out the crop marks for printing as well, so that I can actually go ahead and cut them out easily. So now if you want to add in the crop marks right here, the cut marks that you want as a guideline to cut after you print, you can go around over here onto the print options right here, just like this. So once you go ahead right here, you can go around on to pre-press, and here you can see that crop fold marks is an option, and you can add this to exteriors only as well. So let's just go ahead and press apply, and you can see the crop marks right here. You can go around over here onto exterior only, then it only goes around and adds it to the exteriors. You can also go ahead and mark onto the objects as well, just like this. You can go ahead and apply, and you can see that this is what you have right here. So that is how you can go ahead and do that. You can also go ahead and change around the print registration marks right here, just like this, and change around the style as per how you like as well. You can also enable the color calibration bar right here, just like this if you want, and then add in different options right here, like the centimeter scales and so forth, as you can see right here as well. So you can go ahead and then apply out many different things, and you can see that this is what you have right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and then utilize crop marks for printing inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.